Hello and welcome to my home. Today we're going to make a nice romaine lettuce salad. It's going to have chicken, bacon, and some other delicious things in it, and we're going to make a homemade dressing as well. Now I used the romaine that I picked from my garden, and if you've seen my May update video or my second harvest video, you'll see where I'm picking various things from my container garden. But before we go there, I wanted you to know they have other types of videos on my channel. I have product reviews. I have a lot of container gardening videos that show you how to grow different types of vegetables in containers, whether you have one container or 50 containers. And I also have other easy to make recipes. So come on, let's go ahead and make that salad. So these are the ingredients that we're going to have in our salad today. I'm going to make an apricot-raspberry vinaigrette, and that's going to have apricot-raspberry preserves, some balsamic vinaigrette, and some olive oil and salt and pepper to taste. In the actual salad, we're going to have the romaine lettuce, bacon, some mild banana pepper rings that are pickled, feta cheese, and I have some leftover chicken that I decided to throw in there. This is some chicken that I grilled yesterday, and we had some left over, so I might as well add it to our salad. So I'm going to start first by making the vinaigrette. I'm going to start by adding 2 teaspoons of the apricot-raspberry preserves. Now you really can use any preserves you want. You can use just a regular mango preserve. You can use just a raspberry preserve, a strawberry preserve. Either one would do quite nicely as a substitute, and if that's something that you prefer. 1/4 cup of this extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinaigrette, now we're going to taste this. We may adjust it as we go along, but this is how we're going to start. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and put pepper to taste. And now we're going to whisk this up. And what you're doing is the vinegar and the olive oil are going to emulsify. It's just a word to say that it's going to blend nicely together. See how it changed in texture and density? So we're going to taste it to see if it needs to be adjusted. I actually like it just like that. It has a little bit of sourness to it and just a tad bit of sweetness. Now you may want to add more preserves to yours, or maybe even less, but that works for me. So let's start assembling our salad. Now I did wash and use my salad spinner to get off the additional water from the romaine, because if you don't, it can water down your dressing with all that extra water. The leaves will hold a lot of water. I don't know if you can see the water that I got off of there, but if you don't have a salad spinner, you could easily pat it dry with paper towel or a clean dish towel. So I think I'm going to chop this up. This is a rough chop. Now to this salad, I have about 1/3 of a white onion, yellow onion actually, that I chopped up. It's a rough chop as well. There's my banana peppers. I'm going to leave these whole as they came out the jar. And here's my bacon that I just crumbled up into little pieces, as big or as small as you want it to be. I'm going to be putting some raisins in here. And I'm going to have some feta cheese in the salad as well. Oh, here's another leaf. Okay, let's get you a nice platter and arrange all your lettuce. And now we're going to start. I think I'm going to start by sprinkling some onions on there. And then a little bit of the banana peppers. Again, these are mild banana peppers, so it's not like it's going to burn the top of your mouth off, but it does bring a nice a little bit of heat, and because it's pickled, a little bit of that vinegar, extra vinegar flavor to the party. Sprinkle on your bacon, as much or as little as you like. Get a nice handful of raisins. Now this salad could be an entree salad for one person. That would easily fill up anybody, but this is going to be a side salad, and this could easily feed, again, about 4 people along with your regular entree. Some feta cheese. That's for me. That was good. Now you could leave it like that and be just as fine and happy. You could even leave off the bacon if you want to be completely vegetarian. But I do want to use up that chicken. Now this chicken is a thin chicken breast that I marinated and cooked yesterday. And I'm just going to tear it and put it across. You know, it's not rocket science. It's how you want to place it. And now we're going to just sprinkle some of our delicious dressing on it, or you could bring it to the table and let people put as much on there as they want. You have an alternative to chopping it up. You can leave your leaves all together at the base. See how that makes a little flower? I think that's so cute. And just kind of lay out an arrangement on the platter like that. Go ahead and sprinkle your onions. Your bacon. Also got carried away and forgot that feta cheese. And there you have it. You can serve this just like that if you want to. If you like that video, hit that thumbs up like button. And consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now. Bye bye.